This guide will help you download usage reports from Volta charging for the year 2026. Follow these steps to access your reports easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Volta charging website and log into your account using your credentials. Ensure you have the correct username and password to access your dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to the Reports section. Once logged in, look for the Reports or Usage Reports section in the main menu. Click on it to access the available reports related to your charging usage. Step 3. Select the desired report. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SRIP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Download the report. After selecting the desired report, look for a download button or link. Click on it to download the report in your preferred format, such as PDF or CSV. Step 5. Save and review. Once the report is downloaded, save it to your device. Open the file to review your usage data and ensure all information is accurate. By following these steps, you can easily download your usage reports from Volta Charging. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.